Taft High School. I'm Aisha.
And I'm Esperanza Vacquiz. We are your hosts for today's Toreador News. In today's episode, we have new announcements from ASB, Miss Ryder, and Sports Medicine, Coach Mercado and Volleyball, Junior Steering, and UNICEF Club. Let's get started.
Hey Taft, this is the last reminder that today the Taft cookbook submissions are due. Please be sure to submit any recipes you may have with the form tinyurl.com/Taft cookbook. We will publish the school-wide cookbook with all the recipes on Thursday, March 25th.
March is National Athletic Training Month. Athletic trainers work with patients to prevent injuries. If a patient is injured, they work with physicians to provide care and rehabilitate the patient back to life before the injury as fast and as safe as possible.
Brain and spinal cord injuries and conditions such as heat illness can be life-threatening if not recognized and properly handled. Athletic trainers are there to immediately address emergencies. The welfare of patients is their top priority. Email Miss Ryder if you are interested in sports medicine or athletic training.
If you are interested in joining boys girls volleyball, please contact Coach Mercado at ALM2148@lausd.net for more information. Practice will be throughout the week after school.
Come by Chipotle located in Tarzana on Wednesday, March 24th from 4 to 8 p.m. to support our joint fundraiser between Junior Steering and UNICEF Club. Proceeds will be split evenly, all are welcomed, and takeout is highly recommended.
Use promo code HHMT7LH for online orders or simply mention you are from Taft at the register. You can find the flyer on Instagram at Taft HS Class of 22 or at Taft UNICEF.
And now here are your student faculty representatives with this week's Teacher Spotlight.
Hello everyone, ready for this week's Teacher Spotlight? Your first clue is that she teaches American Sign Language. Some of her hobbies are acting, cooking, baking, motorcycling, and mermaiding.
A random fact about her is that she trained in lucha libre a few years ago. Her favorite food is Mexican food, and she loves to watch any Fred Astaire movie.
One of her goals is to have a recurring role on a CW TV show. Do you know who this teacher is? It's Miss Law.
Thanks for participating. We'll see you next week for another Teacher Spotlight.
Here are some reminders. If you're interested in joining track and field, reach out to Coach Lopez for more information.
If you are interested in joining Academic Decathlon, Coach Puente and Taft's Acadeca team will have a meet and greet on Zoom during lunch today. Come meet the team and ask questions. The link is in the description below.
If you are interested in trying out for the football team or volunteering to work as a manager, message head coach aron.gideon.
Girls Who Code Club will be meeting every Wednesday at lunch. If you're interested in joining Astronomy Club, contact Club President Nikhil.
If you'd like your club to be in the yearbook, please submit club photos by using the link and filling out the information. Deadline is today.
Seniors, follow at ths.royals21, the new Instagram page that will display the class of 2021's future plans.
If you need community service hours and want to join the Peer Tobacco Use and Prevention Education Group, contact Miss Brownell.
Applications to join the Department of Public Health Youth Advisory Council are due Friday, April 2nd.
Class of 2024 Steering Committee meetings are Wednesdays at 3 p.m. Join the Schoology group and sign up for Remind to stay up to date.
School-wide Netflix watch party is next week on Thursday. Participate in the poll to vote for what movie we'll watch together.
Okay, Taft, it's Focus Friday. It's time to start working on your SMART goals. That's it for today's announcements. Remember to keep your workplace clean, green, safe, and serene.
Have a fantastic Friday and a great weekend. We'll see you next week. Bye, Taft.
Bye.